Welcome to my channel! Hello mga moms, good day everyone. Mag-unboxing tayo ng mga items from Temu. This is all from Temu product. Para sa birthday to ni Gianna sa kanyang 7th years old. So, let's unbox! Oh, yan po siya. Ang parcel, guys. Ang dami nito. More on Gianna's for giveaways para sa kanyang birthday, 7th birthday party. This coming March 10. So, she will be 7 years old. Ayan, ang dami. Oh my goodness. Of course, I ordered my iPhone casing. Ayan. So, bali dalawa to. And the pen for the giveaways. Ayan. And another selfie stick. Yung nagmo-move siya. Moving 360. Ayan. Maganda to siya kasi hindi ka na mag-move ng camera, kundi siya na lang siya, mag-capture siya sa moving motion ng tao. So, ayan. Ganda nito, guys. And of course, this is for a gift for her. Knee pad for protection dahil nag-skating siya. So, ayan. Kasi lagi siyang may sugat sa knee. Siguro laging bumabagsak. Ayan, this is for her. And yung iPad pen para sa iPad. And then another for giveaways. And I order also, this is a balloon, 7 balloon with butterflies decoration. And this is customized sticker, a thank you sticker. So my name siya dyan na Gianna Roa. We will open. Let's see. So all in all, I bought in Temu is 20 items. So let's see. Ayan. Meron siyang customized to siya na thank you for coming to on my birthday, Gianna Roa. So very nice. Thank you for celebrating with me, with us, Gianna Roa, 7th birthday, March 10, 2025. Very nice. And 1 week lang siya, guys. Dumating siya agad. Very fast kasi I'm worried na hindi pa siya darating. Because ang party ni Gianna is on Monday. So, buti na lang dumating siya agad. And what is this? I don't know, what is this? Oh, this is the shoes with the gulong na may lightning. So, meron siyang gulong dito. Ayan. So, this is the wheel, gulong. So, this is very nice. Mura lang din to. This is, hindi niya alam, this is for her gift also on her birthday. Ayan. So, meron siyang gulong. Ayan. So nice. I'm excited. Of course, she will love this one. She will really love this. Kasi meron siyang gulong. So, this is the one. What else? Oh, another dress I ordered. Aside from the purse, I ordered one princess dress. And this is another second dress for pictorial. Ayan, look at that. Ooh, super nice. Another dress. This is cheap also. And the fabric is very nice. Mura lang din siya sa Temu. So, she has 2 dress for pictorial and for birthday on that day of her celebration. So, not really in grande. Kasi gusto niya sa Jollibee. Next order. What is this? Oh, this is another iPhone case. Oh, so cute. Ganda. Dalawa yung in-order ko eh. So, I have new cover. Okay. Next. For her iPad. Case ng iPad niya. Kasi, wala. Sira na yung case ng iPad Air niya. Ayan. So, it's Kuromi. Nice. Another. Oh, what's this? Ah, this is the topper. Butterfly topper for the cake. And then, for the loot bag. For the games. Butterfly then. And, what else? And the 7th candle with a butterfly on it. Ay, ganda niya. So, ayan. Ayan siya. 7th birthday with the butterfly. Ayan, ganda niya. So, this is it. What else? Another for giveaway. Yung para dito sa wrist with butterfly. Ayan. Para ilagay natin sa ano. And then, this is the bag for the giveaway. So, yung sa pag-games, I will add chocolates na lang and some candies. Ayan. So, bag for loot bag. Ayan. Dito natin ilagay yung mga giveaway. Ayan. So, nice. So, 24 pieces. 24 pieces siya. So, kasi ang theme natin is butterfly. But the party will be held in Jollibee. Oh, may pakpak naman si Jollibee. So, okay lang. And what else? What else do we have here? Another pen for giveaways. Yan. Different colors. Maganda tong pen. Ayan. Different colors. Okay, for giveaways. And this is the card. Another giveaway for girls. This is a necklace. Butterfly. How many pieces? I think it's 10. So, look at that. Look at this. It's a butterfly necklace. Hi, Anya! So, this is the giveaways. Yan, it's 10 pieces. Butterfly giveaways for Gianna. What else do we have here? Oh, this is what I ordered. The wireless mixing. Actually, accidentally ko lang to na press. Na dapat by next order pa to, but it's okay. Ayan, we will see how good this one. This is for baking, wireless, and this the other one, and the charger. We'll see if this is good. Ang liit lang pala, I thought it's big. So that's it. for our unboxing. Oh, I will show you also her shoes and her crown. I'm gonna show you first, just a minute. So this is her butterfly crown. She's like a princess. And then this is her shoes. Nice shoes. And then I'll show you the dress. So this is the dress. She will wear this on the day of her birthday. Ayan. Very nice also. Ayan. See? And the back. Ayan. So that's it for our unboxing for Gianna's giveaways and some other stuff na in-order ko. Thank you. I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing. God bless. Stay humble and kind.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.